So cool.
Can I try that?
It's pretty bright.
Tell us what it is.
It's called a brighter something.
It's a firecracker for Swiss Day, right?
Yeah. I want to try.
Look, we have more.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, these are the laser ones.
Yeah,
That's
but
why.
I mean,
No, it's just these special lights. That's all it
I'm
is.
just trying to try what to do.
are you gonna
What?
light it? Do you want to light it?
Do you want to look at the firecrackers? No, he wants wiggles. Yeah.
Wait, let me see if we can do it standing up.
No.
Okay, but move out of the way, guys.
There. Monday, can you... Now here. Just turn this around. Go to press that down. Press that button down. 1, 2.
Whoa, move back. Cool. Ready?
You can see it.
Look, Goobers, move back.
There you go.
Whoa, so cool. What's that, Goobs? Yay!
I want to do that again.
Well, let's do it again.
But guys, if we do it when it's dark, there's only...
Mooch, we have heaps more, though.
We don't. We only
We
have
have-
one more box.
But the light ones. We've...
Okay.
What does Reuven have? What is it? Banger. It's called Banger. Calm down. Oh, a human pancake. Get flattened like a human pancake. They come up with the funniest things. Ready? Oh, oh, look at that, Goober.
There it goes.
Good job, Roderick.
Look.
Yeah! Woo! Oh! Good one. Woo!
Okay, your turn.
Now it's Leona's turn.
Careful, dude. Careful.
Move, Goober. He's too close.
Just boom.
Yeah, exactly. Right in his eyes.
Oh, wait. Now, press it. Go back.
Move back, Goobs.
Careful. Look. 1, 2, 3.
That's why they're called laser.
Yeah. That's pretty cool because it's